There's been flood fury back home that has now been reported in multiple places, especially in the state of Himachal Pradesh, where a cloudburst that has been reported in the Sinj valley of Himachal's Kullu, where that has caused flash floods in the region, which is now experiencing heavy rainfall, and authorities which are now closely monitoring the situation, where the IMD has now predicted rains in the region for the next 4 days. Alerts that have now been sounded with the western disturbance that is expected to weaken slightly from today. There are tourists, there are locals who have been advised to avoid riverbanks and landslide-prone areas as well. And due to strong flow of water, roads, at least 4 of those houses, what has now been said, and several of those vehicles that have been washed away in those flash floods. What is also being reported that at least 3 people are missing from the Sinj valley of the Kullu district, where there have been massive rains and floods that has caused extensive damage to Himachal Pradesh's Kangra as well. There was sudden surge in the water flow of the Manuni stream, and due to which as many as 15 to 20 laborers who were working in the area have been reported to be swept away. Now, at the time of the incident, all of the laborers who were living in a shed built on the banks of the stream. Till now, what is being said that the rescue operations are on, and 2 bodies that have now been recovered. The search operations that still continue, and as soon as the information was received, the district administration, disaster management team and the police reached the spot. But due to inclement weather conditions, there was a lot of difficulty and challenges that were being faced by the team. Now, let's take a look as far as the pictures that are now being coming in, at least from 3 locations that we are looking at in Himachal Pradesh in particular. We are looking at pictures coming in from Kullu, we are looking at pictures coming in from Kangra, and we are looking at pictures coming in from Manali as well. These are the pictures of devastation, what the flood fury has now wreaked havoc in multiple of these locations in Himachal Pradesh. A cloudburst that has been reported, and you can see as far as the rescue operations are also concerned, the teams of the NDRF and the SDRF that have been deployed, they too have been facing a lot of challenges as well because of the inclement weather conditions. Pictures coming from Manali now. As far as this stream that is now concerned, it is sweeping away vehicles. As when it comes to the water, it is the strong currents of the water. This is from Kullu, the pictures that are now been coming in, and the areas that are to the water bank. As you can see, the work that is now being done, the laborers who were staying there, many of them are reportedly have been swept away because of the strong currents. At least 2 bodies that have now been recovered. What is being said that the authorities are closely monitoring the situation, as the IMD has predicted even more rains in the region for the next 4 days, with the western disturbance expected to weaken slightly from today. But the alerts nevertheless has been issued, where advisories that have also been issued to the tourists and the locals to avoid riverbanks and landslide prone areas, as this is the monsoon season that is now approaching, and because of heavy rainfall, the area becomes prone to landslides. Due to strong flow of water, there has been at least several roads and several vehicles and houses as well that have now been damaged. You can see the extent how strong the currents are, and all of that is now in its way close to the stream, close to the river banks as well. It is now taking along with it all of them, that the damage and the destruction that is now being left behind. 3 people also reported to be missing in the Kullu district, where we are getting several pictures of this massive rains and floods that has now been caused in Himachal Pradesh. We're getting pictures from Kullu, we're getting pictures from Kangra, and we're getting pictures from Manali. Well, Poonam हमारे साथ जुड़ी हुई है एक बार. Let's take an update from Poonam as well. Poonam, the situation seems to be serious. What can you tell us about the rescue operations?
Yeah, the situation is very serious in Himachal Pradesh, and in Kullu, there was 3 cloudbursts yesterday, and during this cloudburst, fortunately no casualty has been reported, but the cloudburst occurred in Ghastra Valley, Sanj Valley and Solang Nala, leading to swollen streams. And in Kangra, Dharamshala, around about 15 to 20 laborers who were working near the stream, they were also swept away as the water flow was very intense. And I just want to tell you one thing, that even advisory has been issued by authorities that stay away from rivers and streams, and helpline number has also been issued for emergency situation. And tourists are also advised to, tourists and residents are also advised to stay vigilant and avoid vulnerable areas, as landslide can also occur. And while driving, be cautious, and shooting stones can also cause a very big incident on the national highway. And around about 2 bodies have been discovered, so the rescue operation is going on, and still IMD has issued heavy rainfall for the next 4 days.
All right, the situation that is serious, the rescue operation, the teams that have been also working in the area over time, many people who are reported to have been swept away at the time of the incident that is being reported of these flash floods, these sudden floods that seems to have wreaked havoc in multiple areas across Himachal Pradesh. We'll be keeping an eye out on the developments coming in. In the meantime, we head into a short break. You're watching Times Now.